Grapes are a type of fruit that grow in clusters on vines. They are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in the world, with a fascinating history that spans thousands of years. Grapes are not only incredibly versatile but also offer numerous health benefits, making them a popular choice for consumption in various forms, from fresh eating to winemaking. The cultivation of grapes dates back to ancient times, and their significance can be traced to different civilizations. The earliest evidence of grape cultivation comes from ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, where grapes were depicted in tomb paintings and were associated with life and rejuvenation. The Greeks and Romans greatly valued grapes and used them extensively for both culinary and medicinal purposes. They recognized the therapeutic qualities of grapes, such as their ability to soothe and heal various ailments. Greek philosopher and scientist, Theophrastus, even wrote a treatise on grapes, describing different grape varieties and cultivation methods. The European colonization of the Americas in the 15th and 16th centuries brought grape cultivation to the New World. Spanish explorers and missionaries introduced grapevines to Mexico and the southwestern United States, laying the foundation for the thriving wine industry in California today. Over time, grape cultivation spread to different regions of the world, with each area contributing unique grape varieties and cultivation techniques. Beyond their delectable taste, grapes are packed with a wide array of nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Let's explore some of the key health benefits of grapes. Antioxidants. Grapes are an excellent source of antioxidants, including resveratrol, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. These compounds help protect the body against free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Resveratrol, in particular, has gained significant attention for its potential in reducing the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Heart health. Grapes have been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health. The antioxidants present in grapes, especially resveratrol, can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. These effects contribute to a decreased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Digestive health. Grapes contain dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial gut bacteria and supporting overall gut health. Immune system support. Grapes are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections and diseases. Including grapes in your diet can contribute to a stronger immune system and a reduced risk of common illnesses. Brain health. Studies have suggested that the antioxidants found in grapes, particularly resveratrol, may have positive effects on brain health. Resveratrol has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While further research is needed, these findings highlight the potential benefits of grapes for brain health. Grapes, with their rich history and abundant health benefits, have rightfully earned their place as a beloved fruit across cultures and continents. From ancient civilizations to modern-day research, grapes have played a significant role in both culinary and medicinal applications. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in the form of wine, grapes offer a plethora of nutrients and compounds that promote overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.